kind of look like Ariana Grande. Merry Christmas, everyone. It's Christmas. I literally woke up. Look at my hair. I am gonna do some last minute Christmas wrapping. I haven't been wrapping at all, so let's do it. I'm just gonna like wrap them in this and then put them in these cute little bags. Like, or adorable. Oh, not saying my mom's name on this one. Oops. One's gonna be for my friend and one's gonna be for my boyfriend. I haven't wrapped their gifts. They're like literally the ones I have left. So let's get into it. Tell you guys what I got them because I really doesn't matter. This is gonna go up after Christmas, so they're gonna get all their stuff already. So for my boyfriend, I'll do first. He loves like anime, so I just got him like this little manga thing. That's what it's called. And then I also got him this like Nike shirt. Very cute, and it has like the little Nike symbol on the side. And then I got him one more thing. Oh, I got him this like, oh, I got him another like little anime thing, like a little shot glass and a like air freshener that's also from like an anime. Yeah, my boyfriend loves anime, so kind of like, sorry boo, but you are getting an anime bomb today. And then I also got him this, which is really cool. This is like a lighter. It's by the brand Zippo, and you have to like buy the fluid for it, which is fine, but look how cute it is. It's like a Playboy, like look how cool. It's just like super cool. And then for my bestie, I got her a bunch of little goodies, and I hope she likes them all. So I gave her like a journal because everybody needs a journal. And then I got her these highlighters. If you guys don't have these, girl, you need to get them. I have them and they're so nice. This is what they look like. They're like by this brand, and they're all kind of like pastel highlighters. And I feel like last time I had them, she was like, girl, where'd you get that? So I was like, okay, I'm gonna just pick that up for her. They're super cute. I don't know. And then I got her a hand sanitizer that is like crushed candy cane. I hope she likes it because she gets headaches from smells. So girlie, I hope you don't get a headache. And then I got her this really good mascara. This is by Milk. This is the Kush mascara. I have this. I kind of fell off of it, but now I've gotten like back into it. It's literally such a good mascara. So I wanted to get her the full-sized one. And then okay, I'll save this one to last because that's the one she really wanted. So I got her two Sephora little masks, face masks. These are always like a must. Like if you don't know what to get someone, get them like a self-care package. Y'all know I'm all about the self-care, you know. So these are two Sephora masks. One is the hydrating one, and one is mattifying and clarifying. So I think she'll like those ones. And then I got her a $25 gift card to Sephora because me and her love Sephora. I also got her a Burt's Bees like lip balm. I don't know about you guys, but my lips are always super dry, so I got her one too. And then now this is really cool. I had to actually order it from the Tarte website because they didn't even have it at Sephora. So this is called the Tarte, I never know how to pronounce this, but the Marajuka Juicy Lip and Cheek Tint. So I'm just gonna open it. I'll show you guys what it does. So you can get it at any color. I feel like I'm so far from you guys. You can get it any color. Ooh, maybe I shouldn't come too close though. And what it is, it's like, it looks like a lip gloss. You put it on your lips and it changes colors to what's the best color for you. And then you can also put it on your cheeks and it will be like a blush one as well. So it's just like super cool. She asked for it, so that's why I got it for her. I hope she likes everything. Love you, bitch. Also, I didn't brush my hair, but it kind of looks like a cute, messy look, I'm hoping. So let's get to wrapping the gifts. Right now, you guys, it is currently Christmas Eve. And, okay, it's Christmas Eve at 3, almost 4 o'clock. I worked a night shift last night, so I kind of woke up late. So I just want to quickly get this done because I go to bed so late. We unwrap gifts kind of on Christmas Eve or like at midnight on Christmas Day, you know, and it's super fun and you get to kind of stay up. I don't know, I love it. So comment down below what you do on Christmas Eve and your Christmas traditions, because I don't know, I feel like Christmas traditions are really fun and very cute, so let me know. Okay, let's get to wrapping. this because you know me, I love a little blue, and that is like so pretty to me. Today it is Christmas Eve, so I think what we're gonna do is that we're going to my boyfriend's parents for like a little dinner, which should be nice. And then I'm gonna put on my pajamas and we're gonna open presents. So what we do on Christmas Eve is that we go to church at midnight and then we come home. It's like Christmas Day and we open all our gifts, and it's super, super fun. So yeah, that is what we're gonna do. I'm done wrapping. Okay, I know my hair looks crazy right now, but this is my technique. I put in a ponytail and I curl my hair. And then when you release it, it looks like very natural curly waves. Like, ooh, that looks really pretty. My bangs are like horrible, but we can do with it. I'm not gonna do much makeup. I'm just gonna quickly put some like mascara and some brows on. We're going to dinner, so that's why I just wanna quickly do my makeup. Okay, so I just used the Sephora retractable brow pencil. Okay, it's just like basic. And then I'm going to use this mascara. This is the same mascara that I told you that I bought my friend, the like Kush mascara. That's literally all I'm doing. And then I'm gonna quickly get dressed and then we are going to go. Okay, kind of cute. So we just got home and we're gonna be in the festive-ist mood. I don't even know if that's a word. We're gonna be in a festive mood. I'm gonna make cookies. We're going to watch Polar Express, I'm hoping, but any Christmas movie. And yeah, my friend's coming over and we're gonna exchange gifts. The one that I showed you all her gifts this morning. So I'm going to quickly put a movie on and make some Christmas cookies, and I'm literally just gonna do a Christmas montage. So I was gonna make like chocolate chip oatmeal cookies because those are so good, but I think instead I have these cookies. So these are so iconic at Christmas, so I'm gonna go ahead and make these. Also, me and my mom made chocolate covered strawberries earlier, so you know I'm gonna be munching on those. So I'm gonna put this on a pan and put it in the oven, and then I'm going to find a Christmas movie for us. I don't know how exactly I'm gonna do it because we're gonna watch it upstairs. Usually we watch all of our movies and stuff in our room, but it'll be fun upstairs, you know. We have these like really cute like chairs that are really comfortable. I'll show you guys. So like these are the cute little like comfy chairs, and then we're just gonna watch it on the TV. Do you see my reflection in the TV? And then here is our Christmas tree. My mom's like obsessed with like tinsel and stuff, so like all the gifts are under the trees, and then all of our stockings. It's just so cute. Let's get into the Christmas spirit. Hey besties, we did a Hogwarts puzzle, like a Harry Potter puzzle. Look at it, look how stunning it is. And then after that, we had some mac and cheese that my boyfriend's nan made us. It was so, so good, as you can tell by my face. And we just opened up some presents, and that's kind of how the night went. Kind of look like Ariana Grande. I am going to end this vlog soon, but I wanted to quickly just show you guys some things that I got for Christmas. Also, I put this like red lip on to look more like festive and more like Christmassy. This is what I'm wearing. This is the lip kit by Kylie Jenner, Kylie Cosmetics. This is in the shade 402 Mary Jo K. She has a lot of different red lips, but this one I find is the best personally, but I think it would look good on anybody. So even though Christmas is over, this is still a really good red lip if you are looking for one. Go into like the beauty things that I got because I love beauty things, and I'm so happy I got so many. So I'm just going to show you guys the gifts that I got. Also, if I don't mention any and you got me a gift, just note that I'm very grateful. This is the first thing that I got. This is the Barisho Superfoods Banana and Coconut Soft Wave Texture Spray. That's a long, really long name, but this is what it looks like. I really want to get better at like having good like hair care, I guess. I feel like I've mastered the skincare. I need to branch out and have really good products for my hair. So my friend got me this and I'm really excited to try it out. Briogeo has really good hair products if you are looking for some, and I will definitely let you guys know if it's good. It's kind of interesting because it's a spray, but oh, that is a spray. Kind of look like an oil like you would put in your hair, but anyways, I'm really excited to try this out. I also got this Amica. I always call it Amica, but apparently it's called Amica. It is the Dream Routine Overnight Hydrating Treatment. Now this is a hair mask and I love it. I actually asked for this because I had the smaller bottle and I really liked it. So I asked to get the bigger one. You can literally have it in your hair after you get out of the shower, or you can put it on your dry hair, and it's just like super nice. I usually put it on before I go to bed, but honestly you could put it on in the morning and your hair just like gets hydrated throughout the day, which is awesome. And yeah, I really like this and I'm very excited. I also got a little restock on my face wash. I love this face wash. This is by Dr. Dennis Gross. It is the AHA and BHA Daily Cleansing Gel. This is what it looks like. Literally obsessed. If you guys want to try this out, I would suggest to get the smaller bottle and then get the bigger bottle, but this is like my favorite cleanser of all time and it's so good. So I'm so happy that I got that. I also got this, which is kind of nice because I haven't tried this cleanser out. This is by Pharmacy. It's the Whipped Greens Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser. I'm just really excited to try this out. I have not tried it, but maybe I'll try it tonight and see if I like it. But that is what it looks like. So cute. And it actually came with like a little sample of the makeup remover balm, and I already have this. It's so good, so good. And so I'm just gonna use those. I could probably just use that tonight. I also got this. This is just like a body wash. This is the Soothing Coconut Coffee Scrub and Wash. I feel like this is gonna be so good. Oh, it smells so good. So I'm excited to use this in the shower. You know, the self-care fun showers. This is definitely when I'm gonna use it. I was so excited to get this. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Peachgasm Blush. A lot of people like the pink one, but I'm more of like a peachy, more coral blush type of girl, and I'm really excited to try it out. I have the contour wand and the highlighter wand. So I love that I get to add this one to my little Charlotte Tilbury collection. It is super pretty. It's so glowy and definitely something I'm going to wear on like New Year's Eve and get that like pretty glow on the skin. So I'm really excited. Also got this. I guess this is like, I have another beauty thing I want to show you guys, but I also got this. This is by Bath & Body Works. It's just a hand soap and it smells really good. It's the Pink Pineapple Sunrise. Now I love pineapple, so that's why I will like it. It's also kind of like a summery, more spring smell, so I'm glad that I can like use up my more like Christmassy and like fall soaps first, and then I'm gonna use this one. This I got from my sister. This is called Loops. It is like a face mask company and it's just like super cool. I'll show you guys what is inside of it. My sister did buy it from the States, which kind of sucks because us Canadian girls can't get them here, but she did say you can order them online, so that's definitely what I'm gonna do. But look how cute. They're like tons of different ones. I've already tried one that's like a bedtime one that's like rejuvenating, but on each one it tells you what it does and when you should wear it. So this one says it's a glow mask and you're supposed to use it before like you go on a like night out, which is so cool. This one's like a brightening mask for morning calls, so this is one that you would wear in the morning. This one is a rejuvenating mask and this says you can use that anytime. And then the last one is a detoxifying mask and it says to use for daytime refreshers. So I think that's like so cool and such a like cute concept, especially if again you want to be that like self-care. I feel like a lot of people's New Year's resolutions are like to like better themselves, and I don't know, I just feel like this is so like cute and aesthetic, you know. Okay, let's move on to some clothes. This is something I was like really excited to get. I got two things from Skims. This is the tank top. Look how cute. I always used to be very far from like black clothing because I'm so pale. I feel like it does not look good on me, but I'm like realizing that maybe a ginger can pull off these black clothes. So I got this little tank top and it's so nice because I think it's like so supportive. I think I got them both in a small, but yeah, I got both of these things in a small and I think it's so supportive. I could wear it with a bra, without a bra, and I feel like the curls are up. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, so I'm very excited. I've tried this on and I love it. So just lounging around the house is like perfect. So next I got this other one by Skims. I don't know what this is called, but you guys will know what I'm talking about when you guys see it. So you guys are gonna think this is insane because when I pulled it out of the package, I was like, no way in hell this is gonna fit me, but it actually fit me. I know this is like shapewear, so it does stretch a lot. Look how tiny this is. What? But it does stretch a lot, and the cups do stretch as well. I'm part of the big booby club, you know, and this fits me, believe it or not. So I think for like a reference, I guess, I think this is a small, so I'm just gonna double check so I don't tell you guys the wrong information. So yes, I got this in a small medium, and I am like a 34D and sometimes double D, so just keep that in mind. I know it looks tiny, but it does stretch quite a bit. And around the waist, it has this like elastic band that's kind of like, so it like stays in place. Really, really cool. And I feel like, again, just like lounging around the house, so comfortable. These like reading socks, which are super fun. These are so soft, and they're called reading socks because I think like when you're lounging or like you're like reading, you put these cozy socks on, it's just like so comfortable, you know. So let's go into kind of like some random like books, I guess. I got this like cool magazine that says relieve anxiety naturally. I have a lot of anxiety, and I feel like I'm just really excited to try the new tips, I guess, that they're gonna say. Also, we all need a magazine in our stocking for Christmas, so I'm excited I got this one. But the real book that I wanted for Christmas was this book right here. I feel like I want to read a lot of books this year, which I'm not a book person, but I want to be a book person. So I asked this for Christmas. This is by Steve Harvey. This is Act Like a Success, Think Like a Success. And I love self-help books. I can't sit there and read like a fictional book. I just really don't care about the storyline or anything like that. So I just get these like self-care books, self-help books. So I'm really excited to read this. Okay, and last but not least, I'm very excited about this. I have a gazillion of these, but of course I need a new one. This is so pretty. This is like a, look, it looks like a candy cane, like so cute. I really have a lot of these. I think this is kind of smaller than my other ones, but they're so cute and I love it. Oh, got all these, which I'm very excited to show you guys. So I really have been obsessed with, like, you know when those girls, those like cool girls have all those like rings on their fingers, they always have jewelry, really nice ones. That was kind of my goal to like start doing, I guess, this year, because I want to be a cool girl, you know. So I have all these rings that my boyfriend got me that are super pretty. So this is the first one. It has like 2 hearts, and some of them fit on like all 3 of these fingers, so that I don't only have them on one finger. And yeah, so I'm just gonna show you guys all of them. This one is like little hearts around it, like that on your like middle finger. That's like super cool. Then I also got this one, which is really pretty. It's like a silver, and then the green is actually my birthstone because I'm born in May. So pretty. Lastly, I got these little earrings. They're super pretty and like super simple, you know, and I feel like I want to wear earrings every day. I have holes in my ears, but I don't usually wear earrings, and I think that these are just so tiny and beautiful that like I could wear them every day. My lips look so good. That is the end of my Christmas vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This is going to be the last Christmas vlog that you see of this year. I already have been starting on new content for the new year, and I'm really excited for it. If you guys liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below one of your favorite gifts that you got for Christmas, because I still love to shop. So if you guys tell me something that you got, maybe I'll go buy it, you know. If you guys liked today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and also go follow me on Instagram right here so that you guys can see more content from me. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the new year. I'll see you guys in the next vlog.